In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project in Teachable Machine. If you've trained a model before and saved your work, this quick walkthrough will help you pick up exactly where you left off without retraining or rebuilding anything from scratch. First, make sure you're on the Teachable Machine website and signed in to the same Google account where you originally saved the project. This matters because your project lives in your Google Drive, and using a different account can make it seem like the file has disappeared. Start by looking to the very top left corner of the Teachable Machine interface. You'll see the menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger icon, represented by 3 stacked lines. Click that menu icon to open the app's main options. This is where you'll find tools for starting, saving, and, in our case, reopening a previous project. From the menu panel that appears, choose Open Project from Drive. Selecting this tells Teachable Machine that you want to browse your Google Drive for an existing project rather than begin a new one. When you click it, a file picker window will open, showing your Drive folders and files. In the file picker, navigate to the location where you saved your Teachable Machine project. If you keep your work organized in folders, head to that folder. If you're not sure where it is, use the search bar to look for the project name you gave it when you saved. Make sure you're viewing the correct Google account at the top of the picker, especially if you switch between personal and work accounts. If you're asked to allow access to your Drive, that's just the app confirming permission to load your files. Once you see your project file in Drive, click it to select it, then confirm your choice in the picker window. Teachable Machine will immediately load that project and refresh the interface to show your saved classes, examples, settings, and any trained models associated with that project. Give it a moment if your project has many files or large datasets. Loading time can vary depending on your internet connection and the size of your data. After the project opens, you're ready to edit again. You can add new examples, adjust class names, retrain the model, or export it, just like before. Your changes will continue to save to your Drive, helping you keep everything in one place. And that's all there is to it. Open the menu, choose Open Project from Drive, select your file, and you're back in business.